as well some too. So I really want to make this about you guys.
Okay. Welcome back to the Ingles Information Hour. This is Leah McGrath here, Ingles dietitian, and you know, I get so many phone calls and emails about people really wanting to support local products at their local Ingles store. And a lot of times there's an education point because many people, especially if they're new to the Asheville area, don't realize that Ingles is a local company. Mr. Ingle started this company in 1963 here in Asheville with only one little store, and it's grown to a major corporation employing some 18 to 20,000 people in 6 states with over 200 stores. So we started out as that local Asheville business and have really grown from there. And you know, not every company or every business is going to grow like that, and that's okay. But it's important for us all, especially in tough economic times, to really think about where our money is going and try and help out local folks whenever possible. And so in the studio with me today I have Choya Harden of Rely Local Asheville. You can find them online as relylocalasheville.com or relylocalAVL.com. So Choya, tell us, you know, say for a business in Asheville, why is getting in touch with your company an important step for them? What would be your sales pitch?
Well, what we really created here is kind of a local marketing co-op, if you will. Okay, the real advantage to working with Rely Local and really becoming a partner with us, we don't really look at people as, you know, the businesses that have signed up with us. There are partners, because we're gonna promote them, but we're actually gonna ask them to promote all the other businesses that are part of this as well. So we're kind of creating a team of local business owners, if you will, that are going to promote each other's businesses. They're going to online and offline network with each other and tell other people about this great new product or service down the street that their friend Bill sells in their store, their friend Mary has at their restaurant.
So it's more than
just really all about.
It's more than just the individual business, but it's almost creating that network of local businesses to kind of support each other.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
To rely on each other.
So I'm looking at the website now, relylocalasheville.com or relylocal.com, and click on Asheville. And if people, if a company goes on there, what are some things that they need to look at on the website? What it's important for them to notice?
Well, if you look at the top 3 buttons there, you got Discover, Save, and Connect. The Discover button, it puts you in touch with the local businesses that advertise with us. We currently have about 130 businesses that have joined us. We're very honored to have them in the short 9 months that we've been here. So it's been great so far, and we're humbled because we couldn't do it without the great businesses that work with us. If you go to the Save button, we have 2 different programs there. We have digital coupons, and those are the realm of your buy one get one frees and your get free product with purchase and different items like that. Those have to be either printed off, or we have a green option. You can show it on your smartphone at the business, so that's really cool. So business owners can get digital coupons out there in addition to their listing information.
Well, let's go back to some of these local businesses. So, you know, say for example, if you're a business, you might want to just see what other, let's see, nonprofit organizations are part of Rely Local Asheville. So Handmade in America is one.
And we've just started supporting ASAP as well.
Yeah, and ASAP, of course, is a very important local organization to Ingles. If you're not familiar with ASAP, it's Appalachian Sustainable Agriculture Project, and they promote the local farmer and help the local farmer connect with retail organizations or businesses like restaurants and like supermarkets like Ingles. ASAP is one of the primary drivers for the reason you see many local produce items at Ingles is because of ASAP. Great organization to support if you're looking for a nonprofit to support. I'm just going to have fun and click around and just see what else is here. We have wow, we've got a whole big click on here. Of some of the local restaurants that are involved with Rely Local Asheville. We've got pizza, we've got cafes. Boy, you've got like 5 pages of folks here. So Mellow Mushroom of Asheville, Noi Thai Kitchen, there's all kinds of people.
We do a really special program. One of the reasons this has been a big hit with the restaurants, we have a program that we do every Friday, And it's one of our ways of giving back to the local community and to our members that are food service. We know they have thin margins. I'm sure the margins in the grocery industry are also tight. So we really have to support our locals like Ingles and all of our restaurants. What we do is we have an event. It's either a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or social, or a party, and it's every Friday. So we'll get together. For example, we recently had breakfast at Pasana. We had breakfast at Green Sage, at lunch at Thai Orchid. We're getting ready to have a free coffee morning at Biltmore Coffee Traders, and then we're going to be having a skating party at Sky Lanes, and just all kinds of fun stuff. And the whole goal is to get people to come try out a new local business, spend some money with that local business, and give them some local economic stimulus, if you will, and hopefully they'll tell their friends about it. So besides the online advertising, we're trying to create word-of-mouth referral advertising for that business as well.
Okay, so again, folks, RelyLocal.com, click on Asheville, or Rely Local Asheville, or RelyLocalABL.com. And, Choya Harden, who is the founder of this here in Asheville, has been telling us about why it's important for businesses to connect with each other and to support each other in tough economic times, and to really promote the fact that they are a local business. Now, we also want to talk about how you as a consumer what's the advantage to you as a consumer. We have only about a minute and a half in the segment, so we might just start talking about it and finish up in the next segment. So if I'm a consumer and I go to the website, I can look through all the lists of different companies and all the different coupons, and I can see, as Choya was telling us, that there are some coupons which can be printed off, or you can if you have a smartphone, you can use them on their smartphone. I'm looking at ones like, look, a green cleaning team. We've got ones for look at this, restaurants. We've got a bunch of ones for restaurants, and there's all kinds of things. We're going to be talking more about this. Remember, it's RelyLocalAsheville.com. And what's your Twitter handle, Choya?
RelyLocalABL.
Okay, and Facebook?
Rely Local Asheville.
Okay, so
and we could keep going with YouTube and LinkedIn, but you can go on RelyLocalAsheville.com, and all of our social media buttons are right on the top right-hand corner of the
there
website.
You go,
so you can head to them.
So, folks, if you're in the Asheville area, this is a great way to try and support your local community. Stay tuned as we talk more with Choya Harden of Rely Local Asheville.